Thanks, Dad, for not pulling out and creating a freaking legend. That feeling you just got is the exact feeling that you want to get. Whether you were laughing or just wanted to slap me, and it wouldn't be the first time. I did cop a few from Dad when I was growing up for being too cheeky, but getting that reaction in the newsfeed is what it's all about. If they cry, they buy. And if they laugh, they also buy. In this video, I'm going to take you through your next few weeks with a sprint into Father's Day. The date we're aiming for is June 19th, which is Father's Day in the USA. I've been looking forward to this holiday all year. Metal art is absolutely going to blow up for it. So you've got to get your thinking caps on and thinking about how to create art for dads, for somebody else to buy for dad. If you're wanting to sell jewelry or watches with shine on, you're going to want to keep an eye out for the shipping cutoffs, and that goes for any suppliers anyway, which gives us about 4 to 5 weeks of testing. No matter what the shipping cutoff is, you're going to be experiencing higher levels of sales into the actual holiday than you would any other time of the year. Here's a power tip. When you are selling into any period, any holiday, and there is a hard shipping cutoff, make sure you state that date in your ad copy, because what that will allow you to do is keep those ads running past that time, because you've clearly stated that after that, they will not be getting their orders. The worst thing you want to be doing is turning off those converting ads. Now, like I said, that testing period is 4 weeks from that shipping cutoff. That goes for any holiday outside of Q4 or Christmas, where the buying intent is through the roof. But those 4 weeks is where you're actually ramping your launches all the way into the actual shipping cutoff. And you're going to hit your peak about 3 days before. Now, when you're starting, you want to have in mind the number of launches that you're going to do through this period. It makes sense that through these sprints, no matter what holiday it is, we've had Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, we've got now Father's Day. These sprints is where the buying intent is higher, and we've got opportunities to run our sales and make more money. Outside of these periods, outside of holidays, you're going to see that the conversions, the success with winners is a little bit lower. Now, whilst humor is great for shirts, tumblers, and mugs, they aren't great for profitability. This is why I've been so excited about metal art, because metal art, to me, it just makes sense that it is more of a manly product. And Father's Day is the perfect opportunity for us to design pieces with guys in mind. No matter what product you're wanting to sell, making it personalized is a great way of capturing attention and potentially making extra sales. So if you're selling engraved watches on Shine On, make sure you got the artwork swapper in there and give people the opportunity to put their kids' names on that actual product. Same with metal art, same with shirts, whatever it is, give that opportunity for them to put their names in there, and you're gonna have a better chance of connecting and making those sales. Just as I was about to press publish on this video, Shine On went and released a brand new product, and I think it's got amazing potential for Father's Day and beyond. The open work face watch is mind-blowingly stunning. So if you want to start selling that, make sure you look for the link in the description below and get started with that. Now, if you want to work with me personally, I have a coaching program for print on demand where I'll give you the roadmap to creating a 6-figure print on demand business. If you want to see what that's about, go to podhacks.co and read through, watch the video, and if you like the sound of that, book a call where you'll speak with me personally. I hope to be speaking with you soon. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and ask any questions below. The more that you engage with these videos, the more it shows YouTube that you want to see this content, and the more that I'll be able to see what kind of content you want me to create in the future. Love it. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.